Imagine building a digital product factory, not with, massive machinery, but just a laptop connected to the world. This isn't some distant science fiction anymore.
Welcome to the deep dive. Yeah, today we're exploring how artificial intelligence is really transforming individual entrepreneurship. It's a fascinating look at what's possible right now.
We've got this guide in front of us, and it outlines 12 breakthrough ideas. It really shows how AI is making it easier than ever for, well, pretty much anyone to create and sell digital products.
Think of it as a shortcut, maybe, to getting really informed about the creator economy today.
We'll dive into the what and the how for each idea. Things like crafting micro courses, designing AI-driven habit bots.
Even full business plan blueprints. Our mission really is to pull out some actionable insights for you, helping you understand how AI can be, a strategic lever for growth in whatever you're working on.
Okay, let's unpack this then. The core message here seems to be that AI isn't just a productivity tool anymore. It's becoming like a genuine creative partner.
Yeah, definitely.
Especially these large language models, the LLMs, those advanced text-generating AIs. They're kind of bridging imagination to reality, letting you run a digital product factory right from home.
And the data really underlines this. It's interesting. A Forbes advisor survey found that nearly two-thirds of business owners, 64% I think it was, believe AI actually enhances productivity. And almost 60% are expecting a boost in sales, and 59% see cost savings coming. So it's not just hype, right? It's a real, tangible, strategic shift in how businesses are operating. Small ones, too.
Yeah, that's a strong signal. This isn't just a fleeting trend. And the ideas we're exploring today, they come from this guide that details these 12 digital product models.
Right.
And it includes market gap analysis, these expertly designed prompt frameworks, and crucially, specific ways to make money from them. So the goal is to equip you not just with what to create, but really how to build it and commercialize it successfully.
Yeah.
So what's the fundamental shift AI brings for just one person, a single creator?
It transforms one person with a laptop into a full digital product factory.
That's a powerful idea.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's explore some of these specific applications. See how they actually come to life. We can maybe group them by how they help you create things. First up, let's look at AI for learning and productivity.
Yeah.
Take the Power Sprint microcourse.
Okay.
The market gap here feels pretty clear. Busy professionals, managers, they crave short, results-focused training, stuff they could finish in like under an hour, micro-learning for people short on time.
Exactly. And AI makes building these incredibly efficient. I mean, it helps structure the whole course. Outline, content, exercises.
It works?
Yeah, in minutes, potentially. You basically tell the AI to act like a top-tier instructional designer, maybe specializing in B2B microlearning. You give it variables like the target audience, say first-time managers, and the learning outcome, like mastering effective delegation. And boom, you get a 4-module outline, PDFs to go with it, interactive bits, even marketing copy.
And making money from it.
Direct sales on Gumroad, maybe B2B packages for companies, or offer the first module free, as a funnel.
So what's the real, game changer AI offers here for these micro courses?
Rapid creation of structured, targeted learning experiences.
Right. Building on that, there's the niche operating system on Notion. Notion's already pretty powerful, but...
Yeah, but lots of professionals lack that truly integrated, comprehensive digital workspace that's tailored specifically to their role,
Exactly.
So AI helps brainstorm the structure, create those sometimes complex databases, and even write the user guides. It's like having an AI Notion certified consultant on tap.
Like a specific example.
Sure. Imagine a content strategist command center for a freelancer. The AI spits out the markdown structure, pages, databases, formulas, plus a quick start guide, sell it on marketplaces, or maybe offer a free light version to get people hooked on the pro.
So this idea simplifies complex workflows by tailoring them to a specific niche.
Exactly. An all-in-one digital workspace for them.
Okay. Sticking with productivity, how about the printable life planner and habit tracker? You see these everywhere, but...
Yeah, printables are still huge sellers, surprisingly. But the real opportunity, the guide suggests, is in creating products for really specific niches, hyper-specific.
Right.
And AI lets you move beyond generic templates. It helps structure planners tailored for, freelancers, students, new moms, whatever. It's like having a UX-minded stationery designer. You define the planner, type, style, format. AI generates detailed layouts, design specs, even the Etsy product description with the right SEO tags. Sell the PDFs or maybe bundle them up.
This lets creators tailor planners to really specific, unique needs then.
Hyper-specific tailoring, that's the key, yeah.
Okay, let's shift gears a bit. How about AI for personal services? A really practical one mentioned is the personalized meal plan generator.
Oh yeah, this one's interesting. Current nutrition apps, they can be kind of rigid, right?
Yeah.
Often ignore local foods or what you actually have available.
That's-
This is where AI can really shine. It generates a full 7-day plan, considering really granular details, your diet type, calorie target, personal preferences like prefers chicken and fish, doesn't eat beef, that kind of thing.
Okay.
The AI acts like a certified nutritionist specializing in local cuisine.
Yeah.
You get a detailed menu, simple recipes, calorie counts, macros, even a smart shopping list, all categorized.
Nice. And monetization.
Sell individual plans, offer custom plan creation as a service, or maybe a subscription for new menus each week or month. Lots of options.
So what makes an AI-generated meal plan more appealing than the apps we already have?
It's highly customizable to tastes and local ingredients.
Got it. Another big personal service area.
Yeah.
The AI-powered resume and cover letter kit.
Mm.
This is a perennial problem, right? Getting past those automated ATS systems.
Oh, absolutely. Job seekers struggle with that constantly. And then grabbing a real human recruiter's attention.
Yeah.
AI is actually excellent at optimizing these docs. It analyzes the job description, pulls out keywords, reframes responsibilities into quantifiable achievements using things like the STAR method.
So the AI becomes like a coach?
Exactly. Like your personal senior tech recruiter and certified career coach. You feed it the job description, your current resume, and it gives you back an optimized version, a really compelling cover letter that tells a story, even suggestions for your LinkedIn headline.
And you'd sell this how?
Tiered packages seem logical, like silver for just resume optimization, gold adds the cover letter, platinum is the full kit.
So this kit crafts tailored documents that actually bypass those automated systems.
Stands out and grabs recruiter attention. That's the goal.
Okay, let's move into AI for content creation. The voiceover script pack for e-learning caught my eye. Demand for multilingual e-learning is definitely rising.
Yeah, and it's not just about translation. You need scripts that are properly localized, culturally relevant, and formatted professionally for the voice actors. That takes time. AI can generate these well-structured scripts super fast. It includes directions on tone, pacing, where to pause, all that stuff. It's like having a bilingual voice director and instructional designer ready to go.
How does that work?
You define the course topic, target language, video duration, the tone you want, maybe clear, professional, yet approachable. AI outputs a table-formatted script, a glossary with pronunciations, even B-roll suggestions.
And selling them.
Sell packs by topic, like 5 soft skills scripts, or offer custom script writing as a service.
So beyond just translation, AI adds that professional formatting and actor direction.
Yes, and the localization for impact, that's vital.
And then there's TikTok, the creative TikTok script fault. Brands want to be there, but
they're terrified of looking corporate or, cringy and inauthentic. They need trendy ideas and fast because trends change like hourly on TikTok.
totally. It can be a real puzzle for brands.
Right. So AI can rapidly brainstorm dozens of ideas. It uses formulas based on what's gone viral, focusing on that crucial hook in the first couple of seconds, delivering value concisely, and having a clever call to action.
Like having a strategist.
Yeah, your short-form video strategist, AI persona. You tell it your product, customer pain point, maybe a trending style like ASMR or quick cuts. It gives you hook ideas, a detailed 15-second storyboard script, music suggestions, even an engagement bait question for the caption.
How would you sell that?
Monthly subscriptions for fresh ideas, or themed packages like 30 TikTok script ideas for coffee shops.
So the biggest challenge AI helps overcome here is just generating that authentic, engaging content that fits the viral trends quickly.
Fast and authentic, that's the hard part normally, and AI makes it way easier.
Okay, last category, AI for business foundations. The Microsoft Business Plan Blueprint. This sounds like a massive time saver for founders.
Oh, huge, especially for technical founders who might, get bogged down in the research and writing of a full business plan. It can take weeks or months.
Right.
AI generates the whole framework almost instantly. It's like having a former venture capital analyst who specializes in Microsoft. You define the problem you're solving, your proposed AI solution, say AI aggregates user feedback, and your target market.
And it just writes the plan.
It drafts the key sections. executive summary, market analysis, including TAM, SAM, SO,
Which is?
total addressable market, serviceable addressable market, and serviceable obtainable market. Basically, how big the market is, how much you could possibly reach, and what you realistically aim for.
Gotcha.
Plus, a 24-month financial model outline, a go-to-market roadmap, risk matrix, all in Markdown. You can sell it as a template, maybe offer a premium version with video tutorials, or a pre-built spreadsheet.
So this provides a comprehensive, structured business plan framework super rapidly.
A huge shortcut for founders. Absolutely.
And then there's the competitive feature gap analysis dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
Startups, product managers, they always need to know where they stand versus competitors. Right?
Desperately, but doing that research thoroughly is incredibly time-consuming.
Yeah.
So AI can compile that info and present it visually, maybe in an easy-to-scan table. It's like having a SaaS product strategist do the legwork. It compares key features, pricing models, even does a quick SWOT analysis for each competitor.
How does that work in practice?
You give it your industry, like email marketing tools, and a list of competitors, MailChimp, ConvertKit, Beehive, whatever. It spits out a feature comparison table, maybe using emojis for clarity, brief SWOTs, and importantly, suggestions for gaps or differentiating features for your product.
And you'd offer this as?
Maybe a rapid competitor analysis report service on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr.
This quickly visualizes market positioning and helps uncover those differentiation opportunities.
Exactly. Gives businesses a real strategic edge fast.
Okay, another fascinating one.
Here.
The prompt pack for AI wellness and habit bots. Developers building wellness apps, maybe on no-code platforms, they need good conversation flows.
Yeah, flows based on actual behavioral psychology, not just random prompts. That's key for engagement and effectiveness.
Makes sense.
So AI helps design these structured flows. Greetings, trigger questions, coping suggestions if someone slips up, motivational messages. It acts like a cognitive behavioral therapy expert designing the chat flow.
So you define the habit.
Right. Like the goal is drink 2 liters of water per day, and the demographic is office workers. The AI outputs a whole conversation schema, maybe in JSON format, plus motivational quotes, and even KPIs to track if the bot is working. I have to admit, I still wrestle with prompt drift myself sometimes when trying to refine these complex conversational flows. It's tricky to get them just right.
That's a really valuable admission, actually. It shows it's still a craft. So what's the unique power of AI here?
It creates psychologically informed, adaptive conversation flows for sustained engagement.
Okay, nearly there. Interactive ebook with embedded quizzes. Most ebooks are just static text, right?
Exactly, but adding interactive stuff like quizzes or checklists, that significantly boosts engagement and how much people feel they got out of it, the perceived value.
And AI helps create both the content and the quizzes.
Yeah, seamlessly. It's like combining a best-selling nonfiction author with an ed tech expert. You define the book title, so Intro to Stock Market Investing for Beginners and the audience. AI gives you a chapter outline, writes chapter 1, generates multiple choice questions for the end of it, with answers and explanations, even a CSV file to import into quiz tools.
How would you price that?
Sell it at a premium compared to a plain version, maybe. Or use it as a low-cost entry product to Tripwire to upsell people into a more in-depth course.
So this transforms passive reading into active knowledge-reinforcing participation.
A fundamentally changed ebook experience.
Yeah, and last but definitely not least, the Prompt-to-Profit Agency Starter Kit. This sounds interesting.
Yeah, it's kind of meta. Small businesses want to use AI but haven't got a clue where to start, so that creates an opportunity for AI consultants or small agencies.
Okay.
But those aspiring consultants or freelancers often need a professional toolkit themselves to get started quickly and look credible. So this is like a B2B product for a B2B service provider, a whole new layer.
Right. So AI helps build the toolkit for the consultant.
Exactly. It helps create a client needs assessment questionnaire, sample prompt chains for common business tasks like writing social media posts or drafting emails, and even a suggested pricing structure. The AI acts like an AI solutions architect building consulting packages.
Wow.
You tell it the client industry, real estate maybe, and team size. It delivers the questionnaire, sample prompts, an outline for a service pitching deck, a 3-tiered pricing table, even a simple statement of work template. Whoa! I mean, imagine this, building a whole agency framework, basically ready to scale to dozens of clients, all starting from an initial AI prompt. That's kind of a superpower for a solo entrepreneur.
This kit really helps aspiring consultants quickly launch their AI service offerings, though.
A ready-to-go toolkit for starting an AI agency. Pretty cool.
So,
Okay.
we've covered a lot of ground. What does this all mean, really? It seems clear AI is, well, it's a force multiplier.
Exactly. It's about taking your ideas, your expertise, and scaling them in ways that just weren't possible or were incredibly expensive just a few years back.
But it's not magic.
No, exactly. It's not a magic wand. The guide emphasizes this too. The real power comes from understanding the underlying structure. You identify a real market problem, you position yourself or the AI as an expert, and then you direct the AI to generate a well-structured solution. It's about human ingenuity guiding the tool.
Like a skilled craftsperson using a powerful new machine.
Precisely. Your success at the end of the day, it still depends on your ability to spot those human needs, your creativity in packaging the solution, and your persistence in reaching the right people. It really feels like a collaborative future. Human insight plus AI execution.
We've explored a ton of ideas today. What kind of AI-powered digital product sparks your imagination after hearing all this? We genuinely love to hear your thoughts.
Yeah, and it raises a deeper question for me. If AI can help us build so many new things so efficiently, what fundamental human needs or maybe skills will become even more valuable in this increasingly automated future? Something to think about.
That's all for this deep dive. Thank you so much for joining us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep creating.